Hi, this is Kerry. I just spent a good hour trying to find out where the new electronic control board of this Kenmore refrigerator is located. The refrigerator here is on its side, so I just pretty much, as you can see, just ripped the whole refrigerator apart and followed the wiring, and lo and behold, this little box on the bottom, here it is, right here. This is the brains of the refrigerator, and no more $10 timer. You now have a $100 control board, and it's located at the bottom. I couldn't find anywhere in any schematic. Every schematic showed it right underneath the freezer in the refrigerator section, and I even went to Sears, and they were clueless. So FYI, it's in the bottom of the refrigerator, and of course it's a lot more expensive than the old ones. So that's all I can tell you and share for now. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.